Welcome to Iceland, a land of fire and ice, mystery and beauty. Let's explore 10 famous landmarks that make this island unforgettable. 1. Hallgrímskirkja, towering over Reykjavik. This iconic church was inspired by basalt lava flows. Ride the elevator to the top. The view is worth it. 2. Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa in a lava field. The water's milky blue and warm, perfect in summer or snow. 3. Thingvellir National Park. Here, the Earth literally splits apart. Stand between the North American and Eurasian plates. It's history and geology side by side. 4. Gullfoss Waterfall, a roaring double cascade, where glacial water crashes into a canyon. Bring a raincoat and your camera. 5. Seljalandsfoss. This elegant waterfall drops from 60 meters, and you can walk behind it. Magical, especially at sunset. 6. Skógafoss. Powerful and picture-perfect. Legends say there's treasure behind it. Even if not, the rainbow is real. 7. Vatnajökull Glacier, Europe's largest glacier, with ice caves, volcanoes, and frozen beauty. A bucket list adventure. 8. Reynisfjara Black Sand Beach, a dramatic coast with black sand and basalt columns. Beware the waves, they're beautiful, but wild. 9. Kirkjufell Mountain, the Arrowhead Mountain from Game of Thrones, reflected in a perfect lake, a dream for photographers. 10. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, floating icebergs, seals, silence, nature's chillest masterpiece. So, Which landmark will you visit first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts from around the world.